Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can farm shards in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. First of all, Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game made by EA, where you create a team of heroes who are characters from the Star Wars universe, and send them to partake in battles from which you get rewards. As you can see, you can pick both light side and dark side characters. However, that is not important. Now, to unlock these characters, that is the important part. The way you do this is by collecting character shards, which, as you can see, if I go to my collection, the number below each character is the amount of shards I have for that character. And for the locked ones, they need either 25, for example, for Cal Kestis, 80 for Vader, 50 for Chewbacca, and so on and so forth. Now, the ways that you can earn these is by going to the store. You can buy these Bronzium data cards, which you can get, I think, 5 daily, which might contain character cards. You can also spend crystals on the Chromium Mega Packs or data packs. They also carry shards, and those are the ways that you can buy shards. However, there are ways you can earn them. You can do Cantina battles, which are pretty much mixed battles with both light side and dark side characters, which for completing any level will earn you a character shard once you complete it for the first time. If you want, when you complete it with 3 stars, you can then automatically complete it at a cost for a limited amount of times per day, which can also earn you character shards, but not guaranteed. And another thing is, if I go into light side battles, you can see that for each stage, once you complete all of them, you will unlock hard mode, as you can see here, and by completing levels on hard for the first time, you will also get character shards. But yeah, as you can see, if I click on a battle I completed with 3 stars, I can multi-sim it, which means that I am automatically completing the battle, and I can earn shards that way. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.